push the button, yeah.
It's recording.
It's recording now.
Well, we're on our way home because it's taken us that long to turn the bloody camera on. Dumb and Dumber.
That's you too.
Hey!
Morning, everybody.
Hello.
We're on a little road trip. We're off to go to PVE Tuning up in Chard, Somerset-ish. Get the old fuchsia Mini done. The rolling road.
Done.
Yeah.
It's getting a custom map.
Getting a custom map to go with its exhaust, its injectors, its big cam, its intercooler, all its bits and bobs to be whacked onto it. We're trailering up because you're not allowed to drive it because of the injectors and the cam.
And we're going to see if it's going to go faster or if it's going to go boom.
We're taking bets. I think boom.
I think boom.
I'm not getting involved.
It was a very late night last night at Venom, getting it ready, getting it finished, getting it loaded. Reg doing her welding all day.
For
So
those of us that know us know
we're
that
all-
we do lastminute.com.
Yeah, it's all very
yeah.
last minute. But today we will be fueled with nicotine and energy drinks to try and keep us awake. What are you bitching about? What? What are you laughing about?
Microphone wasn't plugged in.
So should we start that again now the microphone's plugged in? Oh my fucking god.
So I'm just editing these clips together now, and they thought they weren't recording the audio because the microphone was sticking out ever so slightly of the camera, where in fact they were, it just wasn't plugged in all the way. But they did a second attempt anyway, which was, well, you can watch it for yourself now.
You said it was.
I can see a red button, red thing.
There's a red light.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it's
timer's
counting up.
going.
Okay.
Microphone's now plugged in and switched on, so hopefully you can actually hear me talk bollocks. Give up. Fucking bell ends. It was a late night last night. We are all very tired. We're all being kept awake with nicotine and energy drinks.
Me no nicotine.
No.
And me no energy drink.
No. Alright, well I'm the only one. I'd rather have Jack Daniels, but unfortunately the law says I'm not allowed to drink and drive because I might spill it.
Well, technically, if I'm technically an alcoholic, then I'm allowed it.
Yeah. But you
no,
can't be an
people-
alcoholic because they go to meetings and you go to parties.
Yeah. Exactly.
So, we're off to PVE Tuning up in Somerset, Chard, wherever it is, I don't bloody know. Kelly went there yesterday because he had a bolt that we needed, so she took 2 attempts because one of the minis broke yesterday as well. 'Cause, hey,
And that was a reliable one.
yeah, so yeah, we're going through minis like.
If you wanna waste money, buy a mini.
So we're trailering up because we've got 550 injectors and a big high lift cam and all the other bits on it. Can't drive it because the engine will go boom. It's gonna go boom anyway. There's going to be bits of engine flying through the air. It won't be the tuner's fault, it'll be the Mini's fault because they're shit.
It'll be the mechanic's fault because he would have done something wrong.
Whatever. We're doing the filming today because young Yam Yam has got kid duty today, so he's dropping kids to school in the morning.
He's using the kids as an
He's
excuse.
using the kids as an excuse to have a day off from us. I don't blame him. And to be fair, it's nice to have a day off from him. Irritating little Yam Yam.
Oh.
So yeah, we're on the road.
On the road again.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get on.
We're being closely followed by a Mini.
Is there somewhere that thing?
Tailgating us. Yeah. We'll do some more video in a bit. And somebody else might talk as well.
I spoke.
As long as the microphone's
I told
plugged
you
in.
the microphone wasn't on.
And I've been holding the camera.
And I've been holding the steering wheel.
Well done. Proud of you.
PVE, where the wonderful Steve had our
Amazing man.
amazing man, brilliant setup. Put the Mini on the rolling road. Had a few issues, one of which was a fuel leak where we fit the injectors last night. Obviously we couldn't run the car up to test it, and it was leaking very slightly, so we've sorted that out. We had a bit of an air leak on the intercooler, which we sorted out. A few little bits and pieces, got some decent runs out of it, where we found that where Steve found that it wasn't boosting enough. So we've got it back on the trailer, going home. Got it rebooked for a few weeks' time to go back up after we've done bypass valve. There's a
New
little bit
intercooler.
New intercooler, yes. There's a little bit of a rattle coming from what I think is the cam chain at a certain RPM, which is a bit strange. So we're going to look into that as well. But it performed well. It's at the moment running about 180, which is no massive gain. It's no gain at all, but it's now running smoothly with all its bits on. So he's not mapped it as such, he's just made it safe to use, so that we can now do the little bits to it to get it up to the right standards, and then get it back up to him so he can actually put a decent map on it and get it running to its potential. But yeah, we stopped and had some food. It's been a really long day. We haven't been far, but it's taken us all day. It's now raining.
And we got lost.
We got lost because Kelly's sat now isn't very clever. Dogs have been good. And
Reg has been good.
Reg has been
Reg
alright.
is tired.
Reg has eaten.
Nice thing that we did last night when Reg finished the exhaust, we did oil it slightly. We dabbed on some old oil, engine oil, onto the new stainless. So when it was on the rolling road, it was getting nice and hot. It has changed colour, which is what we wanted. So yeah, hopefully a bit more on there. Next time it's up there, and change it a little bit more, get it nice. Yeah, so next time.
And a big shout out to Steve at PVE.
Yeah, highly
Awesome
recommended. Booked up for months in advance, but do use him, he's great. And taking biscuits
Yeah.
He likes biscuits.
He likes biscuits.
and ice cream.